Do the thing that other people think you're crazy for doing. Start that business. If you're asking yourself, do I really have what it takes? You probably do. Everyone has at least $1 million product idea. The real differentiator is in those who take action. Launching your dream business doesn't have to be hard. In a matter of weeks, you could create an online store with a steady stream of customers. Our totally free e-commerce course is designed to help you get your business up and running fast, so you'll be selling in no time, even if you have a low budget or are a total beginner. In this course, you'll follow a Shopify expert as they take a new business from first day to first sale. You'll learn how to develop a must-have product, how to build a powerful brand around it, design an e-commerce website, set up manufacturing and fulfillment, and launch a viral marketing strategy. You'll get access to 5 straightforward video lessons with a proven roadmap of the steps needed to sell products online quickly and affordably. You'll also gain dozens of expert-produced playbooks, templates, and worksheets to help you build your business the smart way. You'll even get access to an exclusive community of thousands of e-commerce founders, so you can exchange ideas and get support along the way. The best part? This program is completely free. If you have a cell phone, laptop, and internet connection, you're good to go. Simply enter your email to join the course. Everything is accessible 24/7, so you'll be able to work at your own pace. Shopify has helped millions grow their e-commerce business. Now it's your turn. Sign up now and learn how to go from product idea to explosive launch day.